introducing myself. My name is Sunil Rao. My father name is Sunil Suresh Rao. My mother name is Kalpana Sunil Rao. I have one brother. His name is Prince. I have one sister. My hobby is playing games. My school
Start.
My school name is Rashtramata Indira Gandhi High School, Mundura. My favorite teacher is Vaishnavi Ragorde teacher because because
Off.
because of your teaching are best. My favorite subject you all them teaching in subject communication English. I am in
Oh.
you are teaching we are
Start.
you are teaching communication English, personality development, history, geography, dance and singing, etc. We are enjoying in Scout Guide. My favorite actor is Vijay Thalapathy. My favorite player is Virat Kohli. My favorite fruit is banana. Thank you.